Thank you for the opportunity to meet together. Please help us to come together to make this institution reflect your kingdom. Breathe life into our ideas and decisions. Help us build a team that has love and respect at its heart. Give us the strength to continue working for your kingdom in this time of pandemic. Lord, come give us the inspiration to be the best we can be. May we be a shining example of your goodness and truth living wherever we are. Inspire our thoughts, discussions, and ideas, and continue to remind us that all that we do here today, all that we accomplish, is for the pursuit of truth for the greater glory of you. We ask these things in your name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
The Department of Education is committed to provide learners with quality basic education that is accessible, inclusive, and liberating through proactive leadership, shared governance, evidence-based policies, standards and programs, responsive and relevant curricula, highly competent and committed officials, teaching and non-teaching personnel, and enabling environment. The department upholds the highest standards of conduct and performance to fulfill stakeholders' needs and expectations by adhering to constitutional mandates, statutory and regulatory requirements, and sustains client satisfaction through continuous improvement of the quality management system.
Mrs. Manis Ian Ningleton.
Good morning po.
Morning.
Sa inyong attendance po, may ready po ako isang so about Christmas. Kasi panahon naman po ng Christmas. Lang wish you a Merry Christmas. Merry said, alam niyo naman po siguro yung tawag po. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. I'm ready na. Bakit po ako? We wish you a Merry Wednesday. Okay, sabi-sabi. Kanta lang po muna tayo hanggang sa grade 3. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. I'm ready now. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. I'm ready to ready now. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. I'm grade 3 ready now. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. We wish you a Merry Wednesday. I'm grade 3 ready now. Tapos po, meron po akong Santa's Hat. Yun ang hindi ko po, papilagay ko ito sa pictures. Pag wala, absence ka. Grade 1. Grade 1.
Our dear principal, Mrs. Maria Lisa Villarreal, for her opening remarks.
Our principal. Nawalat si ma'am.
Sooner or later. Kaya gusto ko yung isip sa inyo. Para walang kung paano mas madali para sa atin na makapag-promote. So I personally take every topic that we had. Kasi yun yung kakailangan natin bilang guro.
In this time, to provide us with a purpose and overview of this year's Instant Matrix, let us give our attention to our Instant Chairperson, Mrs. Rosalie Villarano.
Sorry po, parang tayo kasi nakatulog kagabi ha. Ang tahimik natin. Bigyan lang po natin yung topic natin for the whole research po. 12, 15, 16, 17 po. Ito po yung topic na then for grade 2, which is December 15, we have from data to delivery enhancing the ARA program through reflective teaching to be discussed by Mrs. Marilyn Francisco. Also, we have the guidelines on the implementation of the expanded career progression system for teachers and school head will be discussed by our school principal, Mary Hazel Aradiano. And for grade 3, our topics are strategies to improve numeracy across all grade levels that will be discussed by our master teacher, Ms. Marilyn Erdiza. And contextualized learning modules strengthening digital competencies for effective learning delivery. Meron po invite si Ma'am Hazel po na ating magiging resource speaker, which is the principal of Pedro Santiago Elementary School, si Ma'am Mary Hazel B. David. And for our last day of INSEL, December 17, we will be having cultivating critical and creative thinking in the classroom. Will be discussed by our master teacher, Ma'am Cindy Rivera. And DepEd Memorandum Number 89 Series of 2025 Guidelines on the Multi-Year Performance Management and Evaluation System, or PMES, for teachers from school year 2025 to 2026 to 2027, 2028 that will be discussed by our principal, Ma'am Mary Hazel B. Arellano. Kaya po talaga magiging
So, sabi na naman sa school po yung magiging instead natin. So, lahat po yun matutunan natin mula sa mga speakers natin today and sa following weeks. At this point, we move to our first learning session for today to discuss the DepEd Order 40 Series of 2012 Child Protection Policy. Let us welcome Mr. Matthew Bilicaro, our guidance counselor.
Morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. Parang naantok pa tayo lahat. Wala akong energy. This DepEd Order number 40 Series of 2012 is grounded on the national and international laws that ensure the protection. Kasi natin dito is pakita natin sa school ko kung child abuse, discrimination against children, child exploitation, violence against children in school, yung sobrang activity na nito, pero kasama dito yung moral punishment, bullying, or peer abuse. So, mag-start tayo sa child abuse. Ano ba yung child abuse? Ito yung any action that causes physical pain or psychological harm. This is namin yung mga bata, bawal din yun. Ito yung nakaka-harm sa child safety, well-being ng bata, dignity, or pag-development kasama yun, na-apektuhan yun. It occurs when children are forced, manipulated, or deceived into activities they do not fully understand or cannot really consent to. Kasi nga, lahat sa atin, sa elementary school tayo, yung mga bata is hindi pa fully developed yung brain nila. So, syempre tayo, mga teachers, nakikita nila tayo as authoritative figure, di ba? nakikita niyo